If your Prius won't start and the dashboard doesn't light up and it makes crying animal sounds like this, and you turn on the cabin lights and you see that they're super dim, then the problem is your 12-volt battery. So this car has two batteries. It's got a 12-volt battery and it's got a hybrid battery. And the best way to check if this is the problem is to pop the top off of your fuse box, and there is a place where you can attach jumper cables here. So there's a little thingy that pops off there, which is one terminal for the positive. It is red, and you clip your jumper cable onto that. You clip your negative onto the engine block, and then hook the other end up to another car. And then if your car starts, you know that the battery was the problem. The 12-volt battery lives in the back of the car on the passenger side. It's super easy to get to in 10 seconds. You just pop your cargo cover secret compartment thingy out. You remove the storage bins, which are made out of styrofoam, and then the battery is under the one on the right there. So that is where your battery is. And you probably want to check the terminals for corrosion and just make sure it's not just dirty connectors, but that your battery is actually dead, to give it a good charge and see if it works. The experts say that when your battery starts dying, you should replace it because it's just going to be nothing but problems. And then once you've replaced it, you are all good when you push the button.